In South Korea, Kia has unveiled the 2023 Mohave. The body-on-frame SUV has been given a minor makeover and now sports the brand's new emblem. A new Gravity variation is also available, with gloss black exterior details and black wood trim. The interior of the 2023 Mohave has been overhauled, with new terracotta brown and taupe gray upholstery options. Although the Korean translation is a little sloppy, it appears that the model sports dual-layer glass and a newly standard multi-collision automatic braking technology.